deck, and he said, "Now, after that meal, I feel like sex." And Forsyth had a diabolical sense of humor. And after the man said that, I was here, Forsyth was there, the man was there, and he said, "Burn." John Forsyth, diabolical.
That's awesome. Well, we thank you all for putting together such an incredible show that's changed lives, it's changed cruising, it's changed the way that we look at television shows. Your format, the format of the shows was so different from anything else, and that's one of the reasons why it lives on to this day. And you'll keep living on. And so we thank each and every single one of you, and they thank you as well. How do you feel about these? How do you feel about these fans, these people? These old fans, really grateful. So with that, they want to thank you all also by doing a bit of a meet and greet with you. So at around 12 o'clock, a bit after 12 o'clock in the Crooners Bar, they will be there to take a few pictures with you quickly because there's a lot of y'all. And that'll be in the Crooners Bar, so we're not done yet. We're not done yet, so don't get up yet. You're going to go out this way and go through the casino, and there will be crew members there that will lead you the way that we need for a line because I don't want y'all just rushing and yeah.
I just wanted to say thank you genuinely from the bottom of our hearts for being so loving and enthusiastic. It is, I mean, who would have thought this many years later